How to buy crypto on Bitget Exchange. For that, open your Bitget mobile application, provide your login credentials and login into your account first. Now tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the Add Funds option. Over here you will be able to see Buy Crypto With option, where you can see multiple sections with the help of which you can buy crypto on Bitget Exchange. First, if you want to use your credit or debit card, then you can select the first option, enter the amount in the form of USD or any of the cryptocurrency that you want to use. If you want to change it, then tap on this drop down menu and select your fiat currency. For this video, I'm going to keep it as USD, and in the bottom, I'm going to keep it as USDT. Then enter the amount of USD that you want to buy and it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you will get. Now tap on the buy USDT option. It will redirect you on the next page where you just have to use your credit and debit card and make the payment to purchase crypto on the Bitget Exchange. If you go back, then we have the second option of P2P trading. If you tap on the P2P trading option, you will be landed on this buy page where you can select any of the merchants and you can purchase your favorite crypto from them. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.